記得有一個寓言故事係講若干年後嘅地球已經乾涸，要着保護衣先可以喺地面上行走。而嗰時嘅小朋友喺成長過程到終其一生，最着迷嘅就係追逐住教科書入邊先睇得到嗰個傳說中蔚藍嘅大海。而我追逐緊嘅嗰個海就係香港。我係2019至今同好多人一樣發緊同一場夢嘅香港人，當中都有醒過，但係我發現所謂醒緊嗰陣，其實先係瞓得最勁嘅時候。我唔想討厭我自己，或者長眠之前會後悔，所以選擇而家繼續發夢向前。而我深信我哋能夠一齊前行嘅話，呢個就未必只係夢。I'm a Hong Konger who dreams of one day returning home with a dignity. What I'm proudest of and deeply committed to is the pursuit of Hong Kong's Hong Kong, a Hong Kong that can truly be itself and remain true to its people and values. If you share that dream, I encourage you to stand up, keep going, and fight for it.
我係喺烏克蘭陸軍服役，參與烏克蘭反抗俄羅斯侵略嘅其中一個香港人。我深信只要我哋肯迎難而上，不畏強權，終有一日我哋可以贏返我哋嘅自由，我哋嘅家園。I am a soldier from Hong Kong, serving in the Ukraine army, fighting against the Russian invasion. We fight, not just because our home is being trampled, but because we stand for the liberty and justice we believe in.
我係嚟咗英國5年嘅香港人，希望你哋依然記得2019年嘅夏天，我哋為咗自由走上街頭嘅畫面。路雖然漫長辛苦，但我哋每多行一步，目標就會越近。希望大家唔好放棄，繼續保持初心。我相信只要我哋唔放棄，希望就會一直存在。香港人，我哋一齊反抗到底，直到 Hong Kong Independence。
Hello everyone, as a Hong Konger, I will keep fighting till Hong Kong independence come true.
Hello everyone, this is Benson Wong. Over the past 7 years, Hong Kongers have never given up on doing what is right. In the words of time, be the best person you can be. A remark keeps guiding us to walk ahead. 大家好，我係黃偉國。過去7年，香港人從來冇放棄過做正確嘅事，反思返我哋所堅持嘅信念，喺最壞嘅時代做最好嘅自己。呢句話一直帶領我哋繼續向前行。
走嗰年，我本身讀緊大學 Year 3，而家我係一個藝術家兼 designer， 平時做得最多係畫畫、整圖同埋籌辦展覽工作坊等等嘅活動。喺光復香港嘅路上，我會繼續貢獻我有嘅技能同埋時間。如果你都係玩藝術、玩創作嘅，請繼續保持真誠，我哋唔需要避。I'm an artist from Hong Kong and I fight for Hong Kong's independence.
我係張嘉莉，前灣仔區區議員。2年前嘅7一，我喺現居城市 Sheffield 重啟一個曾經喺香港營運過10幾年嘅藝術空間。我希望可以喺另一個角度，將香港藝術同更加多同理念嘅藝術群體更緊扣咁連結。Hi, I'm Clara Chung, a former district councillor from Hong Kong. 2 years ago, I reopened the art space that I have operated in Hong Kong for more than a decade. Now based in Sheffield, I hope to reconnect Hong Kong art with more like-minded art communities around the world. Stand with Hong Kong, fight for freedom.
我係一個土生土長嘅香港人，19年嘅運動我亦身在其中，而家繼續喺香港奮鬥前進。我創立咗一個香港本地品牌，定期會同其他香港本地 artist 合作，延續本土語言同埋文化。雖然過程戰戰兢兢，但係我哋係唔諗會放棄嘅。希望喺英國嘅大家都要努力。I'm a Hong Konger. I've started my own local brand in Hong Kong. Small business, big challenge. But me and my partner will never give up. Keep going, everyone.
大家好，我係其中一個被香港政府懸紅通緝嘅香港人。呢7年，我哋攰過、迷惘過、懷疑過，其實大家仲可以行得幾遠。但係今日嘅你仲願意出嚟，仲願意記得今日呢個集會，就證明香港人其實冇咁易散。希望大家喺度俾啲掌聲自己，同埋俾啲掌聲喺身邊嘅大家。7 years on, we are still here, still remembering, still refusing to disappear.
作為去過幾次烏克蘭嘅人，國民嘅眼神都係受盡苦難但仍然堅定。我寄望每一個香港人都有呢一種眼神，選擇唔係人哋俾，未來唔係等返嚟。與其擔心自己係最後一代嘅香港人，不如將份心力轉化為令自己成為帶領香港擁有未來嘅新一代。
Standing up to evil can be terrifying. Staying angry can be exhausting. But remember why we exist as a nation. Remember what we are fighting for, despite all the atrocities and suffering. Keep your wrath, remain hopeful, fear nothing. One day in the near future, we will stand tall on our homeland with sovereignty.
我係一位90後，由2019年開始嚟到英國。過去幾年嚟，我受到香港政府懸紅通緝，但亦都嘗試用自己嘅專業，慢慢揾返自己嘅節奏，一邊揾生計，一邊去貢獻香港嘅未來。Keep calm and carry on. We will return to Hong Kong one day.
大家好，我係一名英國地區嘅倡議者。當中共不斷努力試圖將歷史刪改，唯有願意活着作為見證嘅你，先至可以選擇堅守真相。我哋唔係要原地踏步，無論你以咩身份，都鼓勵大家不斷提醒自己要往前邁進，光復香港。As a UK regional advocate, while the CCP continues its effort to rewrite history, only those willing to live as witness can uphold the truth. We must not stand still. I encourage every one of you to constantly remind ourselves to move forward, liberate Hong Kong.
我係一個政治庇護被拒絕等緊上訴嘅人，點解一定要向前？因為如果唔向前，遣返返香港嘅話，就只有死路一條。只有向前先可以繼續生存。I'm an asylum seeker being rejected. I move forward for my survival. If I get deported, I can't survive in Hong Kong. Move forward is my own choice.
我係一位因為政治原因走難嚟曼城嘅香港人，依然喺光復香港呢條路上前進緊。我比較積極去累積商業力量同埋連結烏克蘭去建立軍事資源，相信總有一日會用得着。I'm a Hong Konger who fled to Manchester for political reasons and still moving forward on the path of liberating Hong Kong. I'm proactive in building up business power and military resources by supporting Ukraine.
我係仲喺香港嘅手足，如果我哋仲想香港有改變，就要改變咗自己先。一次失敗唔代表結束，保持憤怒，改變局面先要改變大家，改變大家就先要改變自己。唔好忘記初心。
我係香港人，我嘅2個小朋友雖然喺英國度出世，但係呢永遠都會係香港人。我希望佢哋永遠都知道自己嚟自於邊度，永遠記得我哋講緊嘅語言、文化同埋獅子山下嘅嗰種精神。我亦都希望大家記得將呢一份歷史傳承到去下一代，俾佢哋知道呢個地方曾經發生過嘅事，同埋我哋之後要點樣繼續行呢一條路。無論身份、環境、世界點樣變都好，我哋都唔會忘記。Remember our language, our culture, our spirit, pass it on. No matter what happens, we will never forget.
大家好，我係流亡英國嘅手足。藉住這個機會向全香港人民問候身體健康。關於這個6127年嘅這回事，我希望大家都已經有共識，要揾錢嘅揾錢，要體能要參軍嘅參軍，目標好清晰，只有這2條路可以揀，唔需要諗太多其他嘢，要講嘅嘢講晒。要做嘅嘢，我自己都做緊。How quickly they forget, all it takes to change the course of history is the will of a single man. That could be us.
I was born in Hong Kong and I immigrated 2 times when I was young, but I didn't forgive to study my mother language Cantonese. I hope everyone can feel proud of their own culture. 私は香港出身だけど、幼い頃に2回も移民を経験した。だけど母国語である広東語を決して諦めなかった。誰しもが自分たちの文化を誇りに思えるように願ってます。我細個就經歷咗2次移民，其實日文仲叻過廣東話，但我都冇放棄鑽研廣東話。希望大家都可以繼續努力傳承屬於自己嘅文化，堅持光復香港嘅初衷。
我係一個演員同戲劇導師。我希望我嘅小朋友可以喺自由嘅地方成長，唔好忘記香港人嘅身份。我會用我嘅專業喺英國繼續講香港故事，承傳廣東話。
As a theatre artist, I will keep telling Hong Kong stories in the UK, raising my children to be free and keeping our language and identity alive.
我係一個等咗3年半，最近獲批難民身份嘅香港人。相信大家都留意到，最近出嚟遊行集會嘅人越嚟越少。但係我想多謝今日仍然企出嚟嘅每一位，多謝大家一齊記住2019年發生過嘅事。香港已經有好多嘢唔講得，但係正正因為我哋身處喺英國，我哋更加唔應該唔記得。向前行唔代表放低過去。記住過往發生過嘅事，亦都係向前行嘅一部分。
I am a UK refugee from Hong Kong. I want to say thank you to all the people who still fighting for freedom and don't give up the truth.
我係一個記者，依家喺英國繼續我嘅新聞事業。如果5年前冇離開到嘅話，可能我呢刻都未必有機會錄呢一段錄音。雖然喺海外報導香港會比較離身，但至少我可以繼續我手寫我心。嚟到異地生活未必容易，但至少可以過得心安理得。I am a Hong Kong journalist. I believe in freedom of speech and democracy, values that once defined Hong Kong, but are now being erased. That's why I came to the UK to continue doing the work I was born to do.
我係細葉榕嘅，我冇鼓勵性嘅說話，因為已經忙到唔得閒鼓勵啦，只能夠講希望同愛一樣係要透過行動去塑造，唔係齋噏。細葉榕而家需要大量嘅義務平面設計師，係大量啊，幫手每個月都整圖啦，同埋整啲計劃書同埋排版。聽到有興趣嘅請立即揾我哋啊。We are from Bonham 38. We don't have too many encouraging words because we are too busy to working on various projects to improve democracy and human rights. Just do it. Do is always better than just talk. Don't talk. Do now.
我係一個準備今年喺英國升讀大學嘅香港學生，而我喺英國最想做嘅嘢就係將香港人嘅語言同文化傳承落去。各位香港家長，希望你哋可以將廣東話同香港文化好好傳承俾你嘅小朋友，因為當你哋記得，當你哋傳承嘅話，香港嘅故事先唔會被遺忘。各位小朋友，我知道繁體中文唔易寫，廣東話唔易學，但希望你哋可以繼續講廣東話，繼續學中文，加油！ To the UK government and all members of Parliament, we are Hong Kongers who have made the UK our home. Since 2021, more than 180,000 have moved here through the BNO visa scheme. We value this country and we contribute to our communities and societies. Our voices should not be ignored. We urge you to listen to and address our demands.
我係一個當年流亡嘅時候仲係學生嘅香港人。其實2026年如果你仲諗緊嘅話，我覺得你可以去考個牌咯，因為咁樣你咪有排諗咯。你唔係真係仲諗緊啊嘛，落手做啦，定諗樣。So we are Hong Kongese, not Chinese. Instead of 你好, how about you say a normal hi to us?
If you are standing here and wondering what this group of Hong Kongers are commemorating, why not ask someone to explain a bit to you? Hong Kongers are usually kind and keen to tell you about their story. Have a nice day, everyone. 2019年喺香港嘅反送中抗爭已經7年啦。我希望今日仍然肯出席集會嘅每一位唔好輕言放棄，因為大家嘅堅持絕對唔係無謂，因為大家今日嘅堅持係收緊大家內心深處嘅善良，為下一代種下善良嘅種子。亦希望大家可以用英文同場邊嘅英國人不分膚色、種族、信仰解釋612以及對大家嘅影響。多謝大家。
我係一個社工，亦係一個爸爸，為咗下一代移民，幾辛苦嘅日子我都會捱，唔會後悔。嗰啲政治原因嚟揾食原因走嘅人，到底做乜撚嘢？移民就係逃離中共嘅控制，回流就係犧牲下一代嘅未來。醒下啦 ！I'm a social worker and also a father. I left Hong Kong for the well-being of my children. Life is difficult, but I still carry on with no regret. People came with political reasons, but return to Hong Kong for making more money. It doesn't make any fucking sense. China is still the same devil. Do not sacrifice the future of your children for just a better job.
我係一個19年有參與遊行嘅香港人，目前喺一間人權組織工作，希望建立好自己嘅生活之餘，亦繼續為世界嘅不公義發聲。I'm a Hong Konger who took part in 2019 protests. Now, I work for a human rights organization. I'm building a life for myself while doing what I can do to speak out against injustice around the world.
我喺英國仍然努力用緊音樂、藝術、文化同埋港人組織去努力成全香港文化同埋協助一啲被逼嚟到英國嘅香港人。我希望大家可以繼續努力喺自己嘅崗位度為香港出一分力。I'm an artist and community organizer that I'm still working hard in the UK to pass on the culture of Hong Kong and to help those who came to the UK.
I was a medic. I fought for our home. Now in the British, I am still fighting, even with treatment. I don't forgive. Will you stand with me? 我曾經係救護員，喺社運中盡過綿力。移民英國之後，我一邊接受白血病藥物嘅治療，一邊燃燒最後嘅火星，成就香港未竟嘅將來。我冇放棄，你呢？
我都係一個香港人。過去5年，我一直努力令英國見到我哋嘅存在，見到我哋嘅團結、善良同韌力。或者我哋失去過自由，經歷過失落，然後離開咗屋企，同身邊嘅人分開，但係我哋冇失去自己。請記住 ，We will be back. As people always say, Alaska is not a place, it's people. I believe Hong Kong was built and empowered by us, fellow Hong Kongers. Although freedom has faded out and the city has changed, I still believe in us. We are still here, and together we can make a difference again. 香港人加油！
我想同大家分享，面對住強權，香港人睇落係無權無勢嘅，但係我仍然相信，只要我哋堅持住信念，拒絕權勢嘅謊言，終有一日我哋會見到我哋真正嘅力量。香港人加油！ I want to share with you all, Hong Kong seems to be very powerless in front of the strong regime. As long as we still believe in our faith and living in truth,Sometime, someday, we'll see our true power.
咁就7年啦，離開只係迫不得已，但香港始終係我成長嘅地方。前路難行，但總要有人繼續行。只要唔放棄，就有希望。香港人打不死嘅，佢越係想我哋滅亡，就更應該喺佢面前篤眼篤鼻。香港人，加油啊 ！7 years have passed. The things that happened then are still clear in my mind. I had to leave, but Hong Kong will always be my home. The road ahead is hard, but we must keep going. As long as we don't give up, there is still hope.The more they want us to disappear, the more we should stand up and face them. Hong Kong people, keep fighting.
Hello， 大家好，我係一位住喺德國嘅香港人。今日好多謝大家參與呢一個612嘅集會。我想同大家講嘅就係香港人屌喇媽頂硬上。Hi everyone, I'm a Hong Konger living in Germany. As you know, Hong Kongers are very polite. I just wanted to thank your support for.being here in solidarity with us Hong Konger.
我係一位來英4年已退休人士，利用歐職興趣繼續默默貢獻呢度嘅社區，讓香港人被看得見。我哋係唔失禮人嘅。諗起一段歌詞，永遠向前，永不停步，時間第一。Life is too short, my friends.
我係一個香港人，而家喺諾定咸為香港人融入社區、宣傳香港文化嘅活動做搞手，亦繼續推廣民主自由。5年嚟默默耕耘，做得辛苦都繼續堅持。我可以，你都可以。I am a Hong Konger based in Nottingham. I'm an organizer to help Hong Kongers integrate into the community and promote Hong Kong culture. I also continue to advocate for democracy and freedom.It's not an easy job. I have persisted in this dedicated work for the past 5 years. If I can make it, so can you.
Hello， 大家好，我係2020年嚟到英國嘅基督徒長者，好感恩有神嘅帶領，可以幫助到一啲有困難嘅香港年青人。無論你有冇信仰，都鼓勵大家行有餘力，做多一啲啲，一齊造就一個好啲啲嘅世界。香港人加油 ！Hello everyone.I'm a Christian elder who moved to UK in 2020. Guided by God, I'm glad to help young Hong Kongers in need. Whatever your beliefs, let's all do our part to make a better world. Keep it up.
今年係612 7週年，7年過去，
雖然我哋離開咗香港，喺英國重新開始，但香港人從來冇停低過腳步。我哋嚟咗英國4年，努力融入社會，認真工作。有人喺 nursery 照顧下一代，有人喺 warehouse 默默耕耘。
我哋冇停止過追夢，所以成立咗一間 CIC， 希望透過音樂同藝術連結社區，等香港人同本地嘅朋友彼此認識、彼此支持。
縱然身處喺唔同嘅地方，我哋都一齊向前行，因為我哋知道生命係可以重新開始，而香港人嘅故事仍然要繼續寫落去。香港人
加油！ 7 years have passed. Although many of us have left Hong Kong and start a new chapter here in the UK, Hong Kong people have never stopped moving forward. We've been in the UK for 4 years now, working hard to build a new life and become part of the community. Some of us care for the next generation in nurseries, while others quietly work away in warehouse and many different industries. We haven't stopped chasing our dreams either. That's why we set up a CIC, hoping to use music and the arts to bring people together, helping Hong Kongers and local communities connect, support one another, and build meaningful friendships.
Even though we may now live in different places, we're still moving forward together, because we believe that life can begin again, and the story of a Hong Kong people is still being written. Keep going, Hong Kongers. The best chapters are yet to come.
我係一個努力嘗試傳承香港文化嘅人，雖然堅持落去好困難，但係我希望將來嘅人有機會知道香港嘅人曾經係幾咁美好，香港嘅人曾經有幾咁努力去爭取屬於自己嘅嘢。如果你呢一刻唔知道自己做咩好，你都可以成為一個文化嘅載體，將最美好嘅香港傳承落去。Hong Kong has changed, but the resilience of Hong Kong people live on.
我喺香港最後嘅崗位係旁聽師，攞到難民資格或者未攞到難民資格嘅手足，冇回頭箭㗎啦，收文摘武，唔撚好俾佢停，唔撚好耷頭啊！同路人，俾多啲支持我哋。
To my friends in the United Kingdom, I hope you will never have to leave your homeland and seek refuge abroad because of the influence and the infiltration of the Chinese Communist Party.
做大事要成功，3個條件：第一，銀紙；第二，銀紙；第三，都係銀紙。我係嚟咗英國5年幾，仍然等緊政治庇護審批嘅香港人。3個條件都係銀紙，係一種去浪漫化 demystification 嘅觀察。理想可以令人起步，組織可以令人前進，而資源決定咗我哋能夠生存幾耐。Ideals can get things started. Organizations can drive progress forward, but resources determine how long we can survive.
我係一個移英5年嘅港人英國中學老師。呢5年由一開始每日都驚俾呢邊嘅 local 學生用刀捅你，到而家可以分享自己做英國學校校董同教書嘅經驗俾其他在英港人，每一步都唔易行，但我相信仲有好多同路人，一齊令香港人呢個社群喺英國得到認同，願意付出自己嘅時間、金錢，互相幫助。Strict with oneself, lenient with others. This is a motto that many Hong Kong people believe. As a teacher in a state school in England, I'm proud of following this motto and be a role model of my student for being a defender for the British value.
大家好，我係香港人藝術文化組織 NGO 地我哋嘅 Loretta。過去7年，香港經歷住翻天覆地嘅改變，直到今日，好多香港人依然承受住呢啲傷痛。當人民手上冇武器，當權力壟斷咗制度同埋媒體，甚至乎歷史書寫嘅權利，能夠讓我哋繼續企起嚟嘅，除咗憤怒之外，仲係一種堅定而不屈嘅溫柔。而家香港嘅社群最需要嘅就係大家嘅包容、體諒同埋關懷。Many years ago, I wrote a sentence. Tenderness is the only force to rewrite the brutal reality. I hope this belief would bring our movement forward. Thank you.